We have been traveling through Canada for a little over a month now, and we have so much more to look forward to this summer. And while traveling and going on adventures towards hidden gems and sometimes the unknown can be the absolute best, it is easy to fall into burnout from either traveling too fast, trying to see too many places at once, or just from basic things like more off-grid chores. To avoid this, we make sure to stay in a place for a few days at a time and have dedicated days towards rest if we can. But lately, we have been absolutely failing at this. So, as a reminder, I decided I wanted to put together a cute little early 2000s themed date night for us. With all the fixings, of course. A movie picked out from my old DVD collection, pizza, and just pure nostalgia. And I couldn't think of a better way to show this than through a montage. Canada has been so good to us since our arrival. The mountains, the small towns, and we have met some of the nicest people in our lives here. And while traveling full-time or part-time can bring so much freedom, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Having a reliable dash cam has always made us feel a lot safer. And while our current dash cam has served us well, we feel it is time to upgrade to one that provides better features. During our search, we found Wolfbox, who are kindly sponsoring today's video. Wolfbox's new G900 Pro offers an all-in-one vision system featuring a 12-inch touchscreen and screen switch, front 4K and rear 2.5K waterproof dual cameras, clear footage, and an all-around safeguard for your peace of mind. Its blind spot solution gives vans like ours a better chance at seeing because it delivers a real-time, clear rear view so we can drive with confidence. You can even use its hand-free options with voice commands.
Turn on recording.
It records important moments even when you are stationary to keep your safety protected and automatically detects collision with its G sensor. Prime Day is almost here, so stay safe on the road and don't miss the biggest deals of the season. Enjoy huge discounts on Wolfbox products during Prime Day at the link in our description box. Thank you to Wolfbox for sponsoring today's video. We have never been to France, and 3 years ago, we never thought we would visit a place so similar to it that is closer by. When we first found out about Old Quebec City, I was so eager to visit and experience the European-styled cottages and shops, indulging in the beautiful language and, of course, crepes. One day, I hope to make it to France, but for now, Old City Quebec has my heart. Now that we are back in the States, it is time to continue our summer journey forward to new amazing places. I have been teasing that we will be going somewhere big. Well, at least it's big to us, with views I thought only existed in tales. But we have a lot of driving ahead of us, and we can't wait to share where we end up. But until then, thank you for being here. We'll see you soon.
It's like I'm about to get into bed. And I can't because I find another one. The reality of this trail.
I ain't gonna know no more.
Hey man, something bit my neck. Look right there. Ah. Those are so many.
Oh, there's one over there. There's a gnat or something over there. It went to the third one. There you go. Look at those feet.